Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Momax Marble. We have an essential guide for homeowners and enthusiasts alike, a comprehensive granite countertop price guide. Granite countertops are a popular choice for kitchens and bathrooms due to their durability and timeless appeal. But how much do they really cost? Stay tuned as we break down the factors that influence the price of granite countertops. The cost of granite countertops can vary widely, and several factors come into play when determining the final price. Let's dive right into those factors. Thicknesses of the slab. Granite slabs come in different thicknesses, with 2 cm and 3 cm being the most common options. Thicker slabs are pricier due to their durability and the material required. Here in the Midwest, 3 cm thickness is an absolute must. Other areas around the world, 2 cm is the norm. But laminate 2 pieces together to give it a 4 cm thickness. I'm giving you their metric measurements, even though here in the United States, we go by inches. Just to give you an idea, 2 cm is about 3/4 inch thick, and 3 cm is about 1 1/4 inch thick. 4 cm is about 1 inch and 5/8. The edge profiles, such as square, beveled, half bull nose, or quarter round, can influence the price due to the labor involved. But more intricate and detailed edges require additional labor and therefore also increase the price. Installation charges include the cost of labor, tools, materials needed to install the countertops. Complex installations or customization may incur higher installation charges. Full height backsplashes require outlet cutouts, hence more labor involved. Over the years, waterfall aprons have become very popular. Here at Momax, we have to miter them, and that takes more time to do. Granite, formed deep within the Earth's crust, is a natural stone with a wide range of color, patterns, and mineral composites. But not all granite is created equal. Some types of granite are incredibly rare and as a result can be quite expensive. Let's break down how rarity and availability influence granite pricing. Granite comes in various grades, and some types are rarer than others due to their unique colors, patterns, or mineral content. For instance, exotic granite varieties with intricate veining or vibrant colors are considered rare. The rarity of a granite type can significantly drive up its price because of the limited supply and high demand from homeowners and designers seeking exclusive and distinctive options. In addition to rarity, the availability of specific granite varieties in market plays a crucial role in pricing. Some quarries produce limited quantities of particular granite types, making them scarce in the market. When a granite variety is very scarce, suppliers may charge premium prices due to its limited availability. For example, some quarries only allow it to be mined a few weeks a year. What you mine in those 2 weeks is what you get. Granite is sourced from quarries all around the world. Factors such as geopolitical stability, transportation costs, and export regulations can affect the availability of granite in certain regions. Granite varieties that are difficult to source due to geopolitical reasons or logistical challenges can be pricier due to the efforts involved in bringing them to the market. So there you have it, a comprehensive granite countertop price guide outlining the factors that influence the cost. Remember, these prices can vary based on your location and the intricacy of the installation. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a rock solid thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Momax Marble channel.